Human behavior is full of diversity and it always amazes us. When we open daily newspaper or watch news on TV, we see different aspects of human behavior. When we observe people around us, we realize that some individuals do not lose their courage and overcome difficult situations. On the other hand, some lose all their hope due to some minor failure. Some do not hesitate to harm others for their motives, while some sacrifice their lives for others. Psychology helps us to understand these aspects of human behavior. So what psychology actually is? Psychology is the scientific study of mind and behavior. It is used to study different feelings and thoughts. The word psychology derives from the Greek word psyche, for spirit or soul, and logos, which refers to study or research. It did not emerge directly as a science. It started as a branch of philosophy. It evolved as a separate branch later 19th century. Psi, the first letter of the Greek word psyche from which the term psychology is derived. It is often used to symbolize psychology. There are different types of psychology: cognitive, forensic, social, and developmental. A professional practitioner, or researcher, involved in the discipline is called a psychologist. A person with a condition that affects their mental health may benefit from assessment and treatment with a psychologist. Psychology plays an important role in helping people live better lives. Psychology relies on scientific methods to investigate questions and arrive at conclusions. Using empirical methods, researchers are able to discover relationships between different variables. Psychology helps us go deeper than common sense and understand why human behavior occurs, as well as how to change it. Topics and questions in psychology can be looked at in a number of different ways. Each perspective helps contribute a new level of understanding to a topic. Some of the major perspectives in psychology include biological, cognitive, behavioral, evolutionary, and humanistic. Imagine, for example, that psychologists are trying to understand the different factors that contribute to bullying. One researcher might take a biological perspective and look at the role of genetics and the brain. Another might take a behavioral perspective and look at how bullying behaviors are reinforced by the environment. Another might take a social perspective and analyze the impact of group pressure. No single perspective is right. Each contributes to how we understand a topic and allows researchers to analyze the different influences that contribute to certain actions. They can come up with multifaceted solutions to combat problematic actions and encourage better outcomes. There are 4 goals of psychology. 1. Describe behavior. 2. Explain behavior. 3. Predict behavior. 4. Control behavior. At last we can say that the science of psychology is an exciting adventure. Whether you will become a scientific psychologist, an applied psychologist, or an educated person who knows about psychological research, this field can influence your life and provide fun, rewards, and understanding.
At the end of the video, we would love if you keep learning psychology on Edu-Psi to get more such insights.